Welcome back! Today, we're creating something beautiful using only 3 gouache colors: navy blue, white, and black. That's it. Just 3 simple colors. Many people believe you need a huge collection of paints to create impressive artwork, but sometimes the most beautiful paintings come from the simplest palettes. Let's paint together and see where these 3 colors take us. I'm working on a canvas pad, and the first color I'm using is navy blue. I begin by covering the background with smooth, even brush strokes. At first, it doesn't look like much, but every painting starts with a simple foundation. There's no need to rush. Taking your time here will make the final result look much more natural and peaceful. Now I'm adding white. Instead of covering the entire sky, I'm blending it gently into the navy blue. Watch how the colors slowly mix together. This soft transition creates depth and gives the sky a quiet glow. It's one of my favorite parts because the painting begins to feel alive. Sometimes just a little white can completely change the mood of a landscape. Next comes our final color, black. This is where the empty foreground starts turning into trees and dark silhouettes. Notice how adding these darker shapes creates contrast. Without contrast, even a beautiful sky can look flat. But with a few simple brush strokes, the whole scene suddenly has balance and depth. It's amazing how one color can define an entire composition. As I continue painting, I focus on keeping everything simple. You don't need perfect lines or perfect blending. Every brush stroke has its own character, and that's what makes handmade art special. If your painting looks a little different from mine, that's completely okay. Every artist has a unique style, and that's something to be proud of. Now it's time for my favorite part, adding the stars. Using white, I carefully place tiny dots across the sky. These little details may seem small, but they completely transform the painting. Suddenly, the sky feels calm, peaceful, and full of life. It's a reminder that even the smallest details can have the biggest impact. Take a moment to compare the finished painting with the blank canvas we started with. It's hard to believe this entire artwork was created using only navy blue, white, and black gouache. This is why I love limited color paintings. They teach us that creativity is more important than having lots of supplies. If you're painting along with me, I hope you're enjoying the process. Remember, painting isn't about perfection, it's about relaxing, learning, and expressing yourself one brushstroke at a time. Every painting you create helps you grow as an artist, so don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's where real improvement begins. Thank you so much for spending your time painting with me today. If you enjoyed this relaxing gouache painting tutorial, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to paint next. Your support truly means a lot and helps me create more videos like this. Until next time, keep painting, keep creating, and most importantly, enjoy every moment of the journey. See you in the next video.